All right, I'm here at Rainbow Basin. Got the uke. I'm gonna climb up this very large mountain over here. It's not that large, it's like 500 feet. But it's a really cool view. Hopefully I don't trip because my hands are full. I can't forget to record the hike. Parkour. Turns out, trying to sprint up a sheer cliff, it's pretty exhausting. I'm almost like halfway up, so I got that going for me. Pretty good view though, eh? Woo! Tell me this isn't a view. Yeah, it was worth leaving my apartment today. All right. Let me take off the jacket. I think I'm gonna see what drone footage we can get. It's one of the cool things about drones is that really get a point of view you would have never seen before. And I just got this guy, Mavic Mini 2. Let's see what type of footage we can get.
Do what I had to do, and this is enough for me. Never meant to be a winner, never meant to be a quitter, but this is how I lose satisfaction. Cheap thrills, cheap tricks. It seems like the way I live. Who said I should be a big shot? Who said I should take it, take off? I gotta rest. I'm feeling so good. In me, I know it, but I'm misunderstood. Feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta.
Okay, well, I thought that footage came out pretty good. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments. Well, enough messing around. Let's take some photos and play some uke. Yeah, don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head, I'll get you up and going out of bed. Something in the way she moves attracts me like no other lover. Something in the way she woos me. Okay, I gotta get going. All right. Now it's a race to the bottom before it gets dark, because I still have to off-road. Yeah. Something I didn't know about myself until very recently, but I guess I really like the color green because the other day I was looking at all my stuff next to each other and I realized I have a green coat, I have a green backpack, I have a green beanie. I guess I'm a green person. I always kind of thought I was blue. Okay, so it got chilly pretty quick. Now I am glad that I brought my winter coat. All right, crisis averted, because on my way down, I realized I didn't have my keys in my pocket. Fortunately, I'm dumb and I left them in the car, unlocked with all my camera gear. Also just ran into this really fun circle of rebels, like literally just a bunch of ram rebels in a circle. pretty good day. All right, let's go home.